Court exposes DMK's anti-Hindu rhetoric. A huge controversy. This was in 2023 by Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udhayanidhi Stalin, and it was while he was attending a conference which was titled Sanatana Abolition Conference, and he made a comment about Sanatana Dharma where he compared it to dengue and malaria. Listen into what he said.
சனாதன எதிர்ப்பு மாநாடு என்று போடாமல் சனாதன ஒழிப்பு மாநாடு என்று நீங்கள் இதை போட்டிருக்கிறீர்கள், இதை அழைத்திருக்கிறீர்கள், இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு பெயரிட்டீர்கள். அதற்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். சிலவற்றை நாம் ஒழிக்கத்தான் வேண்டும், எதிர்க்க முடியாது. கொசு, டெங்கு காய்ச்சல், மலேரியா, கொரோனா இதையெல்லாம் நம்ம எதிர்க்கக்கூடாது, ஒழித்து கட்ட வேண்டும். அப்படிதான் இந்த சனாதனம்.
The Madurai Bench of Madras High Court on Tuesday quashed a criminal case registered against BJP IT Cell head Amit Malviya over a social media post in which he had criticized Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udhayanidhi's remarks on Sanatana Dharma. The court held that the minister's original speech amounted to hate speech and ruled that opposing or questioning such speech does not attract criminal liability. The case against Malviya was that after the conference, he had posted the video of the speech on his social media, distorted the speech and made comments as if the minister had called for genocide of 80% people in Bharat who were practicing Sanatana Dharma. Now, Justice Srimati observed that Amit Malviya had only reacted to the speech made by the minister, and continuing any proceedings against him for such reaction would be an abuse of process of law and would cause him irreparable harm. And the jury, the court actually used very, very strong words and said while no case had been registered against Udhayanidhi for his hate speech, it was painful that a hate speech case was registered against someone who was reacting against it, and that being, of course, Amit Malviya. That the court made very, very, very clear. The court also observed that in the past, the government in question had always made very, I'm not quoting this verbatim, made very controversial statements about Hinduism, and therefore this time around it has happened yet again, and actually called it a hate speech by Udhayanidhi Stalin. So this is something which is really going to blow up in this time of elections when Tamil Nadu is hurtling towards it sooner rather than later. And the court also said that the speech was of grave nature and it could have inflamed hatred and violence against majority of people in India who follow the Sanatana Dharma. Let me go across to the guest. Let's have the name of the guest here. It's somehow missing. Let me have the name of the guest. There we have it. We have Salem Dharnidharan. I don't need their names, I know them so well. Spokesperson for the DMK, and Mr. Kalyanaraman, senior leader. Thank you both for making the time. Dharnidharan, a rap on the knuckles of the DMK, a very, very heavy and a strong rap.
What do you mean? I don't. It was a case pertaining to Amit Malviya, nothing to do with the speech made. The charges against him were did not succeed, and the affair was quashed. So how is it anyway in detriment to the DMK? I don't understand. I clearly don't understand.
He said that the minister.
I know what he said.
Yeah.
I know what the justice said.
Then?
Justice can make whatever observation he wants to make.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Are you disrespecting the court?
I am not disrespecting the court. I never disrespect the
wow.
court. But
they will.
No, let them know. I see. I am not disrespecting the court. There is no
and
need
also there is the word used in Tamil was Uripom, which means totally annihilate. So this is the thing, destroying. And the court said that is more grave. That is more grave. And I have stuck my neck out several times and said that Udhayanidhi Stalin does not know the difference between Sanatana Dharma and Varna Ashrama. But that is another
Let
story.
me be very clear. See, that is a big difference. What was eventually implied, I have come on this debate, it's a 28-month-old subject. I don't know why we are bringing this
because
now.
Because the court said that move back DMK.
Said
move back DMK. You have passed where you put slippers around a Hindu deity, where you've called another Hindu deity, broken the idols. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it because I will never say it.
It is completely a preposterous and false narrative to say DMK is anti-Hindu. DMK has done for more Hinduism than any other party in the country has done.
But yet your leader, Junior Stalin said it's like dengue and malaria. Did he say it?
I'm coming there.
Did he say?
Ma'am, you always let me speak. Today I don't know why you are not letting me speak. I am coming. in the previous debates, I've said, we are only wanting equality within the Hindu religion. People should not be discriminated based on their birth, and the access to temple or becoming priest should not happen based on birth. Everyone should have equal rights within Hindu religion. That is what the deputy chief minister also spoke, and we stand by that.
But people who follow Sanatana Dharma, it's like dengue. I'm like malaria and corona. Wow. Silent, very slow applause on what you interpret it as. I may be believing in every other religion, but I will refuse that any religion is denigrated, because in this country, the book.
I am not denigrating any religion. My party is not
Your leader said, your leader did. Kalyan Raman sir, please come in. I have very less time on this debate. Unfortunately, my apologies. Go ahead, sir.
Two men with the lowest possible IQ in India are the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and the Deputy Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, who have scant knowledge about what is Hinduism or Sanatana Dharma are all about. They don't even understand what is beyond Tada border. So, the way Tamil Nadu understands Sanatana Dharma is not the same way. Not Tamil Nadu exactly. It is the Dravidian movement understands Sanatana Dharma. Is not the same way the entire Hindu society understands Sanatana Dharma. With their low level of understanding and IQ, they want to talk something about eradicating or annihilating the Sanatana Dharma, which has given a big slap on the face of DMK, in specific Udhayanidhi. And by saying that it has no contemptuous statement against us, Salem Dharnidhar is trying to wash it away.
All right.
But
Okay.
it is a big slap on the face of DMK. It is a big slap on the entire Dravidian movement, who are completely ignorant about what is Dharma is all about.
All right.
And he was talking about the inequality in Hindu Dharma. The inequality was created by Britishers, and the same Britishers created DMK also. We have to understand.
No, Mr. Kalyan Raman, Kalyan Raman sir, look, it will all go into Manusmriti, which I oppose totally. Then it will go into, but there is a Varna Ashrama, and I think there is inequality, sir. Someone is placed right at the top. Someone
is what is stated.
So the point is, sir, let's not go there. Let's stick to what happened today in court.
Salem Dharnidharan,
I'm coming to you.
To begin with. They don't know anything.
Okay.
When you don't know anything, just keep quiet. Just shut your mouth and keep quiet. This is what the DMK men are supposed to do.
Okay.
When they start talking about something they don't know, they will get the slap like this from the High Court. That is what has happened today.
Okay. Dharnidharan, I also, because the Honorable Court also said that it is such a sad state of affairs that the person who actually said about how we should destroy or obliterate Sanatana Dharma, there is nothing against him, but someone who merely reacted towards it, he's been, kind of pilloried. Your reaction to that, Salem Dharnidharan?
I have written an article also explaining my party stand on this matter. We will not allow discrimination of human beings based on caste. It can't happen. The former president Kovind was not allowed into Puri temple. In the 21st century, such situations desirable, no. In Sangam literature itself, there is no reference to Sanatana Dharma. Hinduism in itself is a polytheistic religion. For example, people in Tamil Nadu worship some gods by sacrificing goat. And 99% of the Hindus in Gujarat are vegetarian. You may ask why I'm speaking this. Because it's a polytheistic religion. Sanatana Dharma is one aspect of it, within which there is Varna system, within which there is segregation of people based on caste.
Why are you today explaining all this? I thought you would speak about the case, Dharnidharan, because you're an erudite man. We all know this.
Don't talk about something you don't know.
Yeah, we know this. I know this. I know little. But I know the Hinduism which is practiced in Northeast is very different from my.
We also talk about Christianity and Islam as part of
freedom of speech.
Are you ready for it?
Lakshman Rekha.
You are shit scared of talking about Islam and Christianity.
No,
you
let's not
create
use
riots
words like that.
by indulging in
Kalyan
issue. When you indulge in so much of things, you are talking about Sanatana with scant knowledge about it. Just stop talking about it.
All right, let's not, but I think it's a major thanks for judiciary, because you see, everyone cannot be right all the time. When this news broke, Dharnidharan, I was the first one to stick my neck out, and I'm known to be someone who is very fair towards all. I thought this man doesn't even know the difference between Varna Ashrama and Sanatana Dharma. So maybe he should just zip up.
Precisely.
But let me say this as I go and say bye-bye to both of you, is that this is going to be the real election issue now. It's become an electoral bomb which has been hurled at the DMK by the judiciary, and thank God for the judiciary. Thank you both.
They are getting another bomb in the form of disqualification of the CM. They are getting another bomb, I guess, in the next 2 days to come.
All right.
How do you know what's going to happen?
No one is a
I said
soothsayer
looks
here.
like.
But
I think I'm clear in my words.
nothing which is not, verified should be said on my
I'm clear
show.
in my words. I
Thank
said
you very
looks like
much,
they are getting
both of
another
you,
bomb.
for joining.